Is your iPhone screen unresponsive after updating to iOS 18? Let's walk through some steps to get it working again. First, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can often snap the touch screen back to normal. If the screen is still stuck, check for physical issues. Make sure your screen is clean, wipe it down with a soft and dry cloth. Remove any screen protectors or bulky cases since they might interfere with touch. If none of this works, launch your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update, and if there's an iOS update available, install and download it. And if nothing works, you might be dealing with a deeper hardware issue. Hopefully, one of these steps brings your screen back to life. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching till the very end and stay tuned for our next upload.